Hello everyone. So firstly, I will explain you the requirement. So the requirement was, so this was our payload and we have to use filter shape and this was our expected payload. So now I'll tell you how we can do it. So firstly, we have to import, we have to copy this payload which is given in our content modifier. If we are doing simulation, then we need to copy there. I have shown it here. And then we have to add one more content modifier after that. In that content modifier, we have to write roots, then $in dot body, and we have to close that roots tag because if we will see here root, then our root tag is closing here, then another root tag is opening here, and another root tag is closing here. If we will add this, if we when we are copying this payload in our content modifier and when we are doing simulation, then it is giving error that our payload is wrong because it is confused that which root tag we have to filter. So we have to create one more content modifier. We have to add content one more content modifier after this content modifier. In this content modifier, if we will go in body, I have added that payload. I will open the another content modifier. I have added here roots $in dot body. Then I have closed that roots tag so that when we will filter it, so it will not show us the error which was showing it us earlier. So in filter shape, we will write roots, root, then employee time again. Can anyone of you tell me why we will write this employee time twice?
Because our samples, the payload has this node written twice on it. So that's why we are basically giving it a passage that first you need to go to the root, then to the first employee time, then to the second, and then after that we can access the block of nodes that is under that employee time.
So it means that it will show us this part only. And after that, we have to add one more content modifier because if when we are uh, filtering this, then it will give us this payload, this, and we want this as well. So for that, we have to add one more content modifier after that, and we have to add it. We have to write it there, employee type, then $in dot body, then employee type. We have to close that tag. So if I will show you here, if I will do the simulation, and if I will stop the simulation here, so if I will open it, this message, and when I will copy it, and if I'll paste it here, then we can see we have only got this part, and we also want this employee type tag again, employee type, employee time tag, and we have to close it. So for that, we have to add one more content modifier, and if I'll stop the simulation here, if I will show you, see, we are getting that tag here. Any questions around this?
No.
No, sir.